Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I got this question.
Today you are here with this, and I need to ask about this router. What is the difference between these routers from the other common routers? Can you explain this?
Okay, of course. You see, this is a professional outdoor router. It's more suitable in camping, VR, and restaurant cars. And you can supply Wi-Fi to the customers. And we use outdoor bicycles and RV, and so supply Wi-Fi to the outdoor customers.
So why you use external antenna for this?
Because most friends use this outdoor router always far away from the city. So we use the 880 so they can put this router in high range to receive the signal more stable and free.
How do we make sure to high-speed Wi-Fi? How supply the power? How we make sure for that?
First, we use the 5G smart chip from SUNCOMM and use the SD62 chip. And we using the PoE power supply. So we only need the one power and transmit the Wi-Fi signal, and the power just one port, and the port is 2.5G.
And how many users can use it in one time from this?
Okay, this one can support 128 users to use together. So it will be a good
128 users. Amazing!
Yes.
It's a great
Yes.
job. 128 users. Wow.
So if you want to go barbecuing outside, or you have a restaurant car.
It means it's also the shield is waterproof, and we can use outdoor even during the raining outside. It's great. How?
Yes.
Yeah. Why you use mental shield?
Because outdoor always very hot, so we use this mental shield to help get this station. We're also building high professional movement chip in this one, so that we can use it no matter how weather the world is.
Yes,
Weather is.
I got it, because this is the best for like the village side. When you people go on travel from city to the village side, we are in signal weak. You can use this, and for example, in different of countries like Nigeria, Afghanistan, most of the countries, when the signal is weak, we can trust on these routers will be support us. And the amazing is can use 128 people in one time. This is the great job from this router. Yeah.
Yes, great understanding. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you very much. We will come again. Welcome to other in this router. Successful business, good profit. Thank you very much.
Try it.
Yeah, try.
Bye. See you next video.
Click the like and follow us.